Welcome to the video class of the chapter Integration Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the integration of some rational functions using partial fraction and some problems are solved. Today we are going to discuss the integration of some irrational functions. Okay, what is irrational functions? Irrational function means the function contains fraction powers, that is shorts type, SURDS, shorts. Okay, the function contains shorts is called irrational functions. Shorts means what? Shorts means square root, cube root, that is fractional power. Okay, now let's discuss integration of some irrational functions. Now that is type 1 integration of ps plus q whole to the power m by n into ax plus b dx, or integration of ax plus b whole to the power divided by ps plus q px plus q to the power m by n dx. Then this is procedure. This is procedure. Put ax plus b is equal this is ps plus q. Ps plus q is equal to t to the power n. Clear? This is the concept. Now problem based on this concept, or if this is a square plus bs plus c root over ps plus q, okay, dx, this is r and this is r, this is types, this is type 1, this is type 2, or integration of ax square plus bs plus c divided by root over ps plus q dx. Put ps plus q is equal to t square. Okay, now problem based on type 1 and type 2. Let's discuss problems based on type 1 and type 2. Now these problems are up to 6 problems based on the discussed problem concept. Now solution of problem number 1. So solution of problem number 1. What is problem number 1? This is square integration of 2x plus 3 divided by x into dx. जदि स्क्वायर रूट अच्छे सेटा को टी स्क्वायर नेगले हमर इजीली हे परिबो सॉल्व. सो पुट 2x plus 3 is equal to t square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 2 into that is 2t dt by ds. 2 to cancel here. That implies ds is equal to t dt. Okay, so put here t square root over means t, and ds means what? T dt divided by what is value of x? Value of x is equal to what? X is equal to t square minus 3 by 2. This is t square minus 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 into this is t square divided by t square minus 3 into dt. So it balance करिया पड़ो minus 3 plus 3 कर दियो. That is integration of what? Integration of 2 into t square minus 3 plus 3 divided by t square minus what? T square minus 3 dt. So that this is equal to 2 into t square minus 3 divided by this one factor t square minus 3, and this is dt, and this is 6 plus 6 into that is 1 by t square minus 3 means root 3 whole square. So this is goes cancel, and 2 into t plus 6 into this is x square minus a square, ds by x square minus a square formula. So 1 by 2a means root 3 into log of t minus root 3 by t plus root 3 plus c. So this is 2 into t means what? T is equal to what is the value of t is equal to root over 2x plus 3, and this is 2 and this is 3. So root 3 into log of root over 2x plus 3 minus root 3 divided by 2x plus 3 root over plus root 3 plus constant. This is solution of question number 1. Okay. Now solution of question number 2 is what? Now solution of question number 2. This is solution of question number 2. So what is it here? This is integration x square minus 7 divided by x dx. Okay. So square root contains the quadratic. So put x square minus 7 is equal to t square. Okay. That is differentiate both sides with respect to x. dbs means differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is 2x and this is 2t dt by ds. 2 to cancel, and x ds is equal to what? X ds is equal to dt t dt. So here x is absent, so this can be written as that is root over x square minus 7 divided by x square into x ds. So this is equal to t square root over t square means what? T, and this is x ds means what? This is t dt, and divided by x square means what? T square plus this is value of x square is equal to t square plus 7. So t square plus 7. Now this is equal to now this is equal to t square divided by t square plus 7 into dt. So this is equal to t square plus 7 minus 7 by t square plus 7 dt. part करके था 1 dt minus 7 into 1 by what? T square. This is t square plus root 7 whole square into dt. So this is t minus 7 into x square plus a square formula 1 by root 7 tan inverse t by root 7 plus c. What is t? T means root over x square minus 7 minus root 7 here into tan inverse root over x square minus 7 by root 7 plus c. This is answer. Now solution of question number 3. Now solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. So question number 3 is what? 3x plus 4 into root over, so this is 7x plus 4 into root over 3s plus 2. इरेशनल देखिले आम ट्राए करवा रूट माने फ्रैक्शन पावर कैंसिल करने तो फ्रैक्शन पावर ये अच्छी 1/2 So put this is equal to t square. Put 3s plus 2 is equal to t square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. 3 is equal to 2t dt by dx, and dx is equal to what? 2 by 3 t dt. Okay, now x is equal to what? Here x is equal to, that is x is equal to t square minus 2 by 3. This is value of x. So put value of x here, 7 into what? T square minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. Okay, then this is equal to root over t square means t, and dt means what? 2 by 3 t dt. Clear? And this is equal to integration of, this is 7t square minus 14 plus 12 by 3 into 2t square by 3 dt. So what happens here? That is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 2 by 9, and t square minus 2 into t square dt, that is equal to 2 by 9 integration t4 minus 2t square into dt. So 2 by 9, what is integration of t4? T4th integration, that is t5 by 5 minus 2 into t cube by 3 plus c. What is t here? T means root over, what is t here? T means root over 3s plus 2, that is 2 by 9 into 3s plus 2 power half and into 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3, and this is 3x plus 2 power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, this is answer. Now this is question number 1 over, question number 2 over, question number 3 over. Now question number 4. Question number 4, solution of question number 4, that is integration of x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. It is fractional power and 1 by 3 is the power. So we have to put 2x minus 1 is equal to t cube, and this is equal to what? X is equal to, that implies x is equal to what? X is equal to here, that is x is equal to what? T cube minus 1 by 2. This is value of x. So differentiate this. 2 is equal to 3t square into dt by dx, and dx is equal to what? 3t square dt by 2. Now put here x is equal to what? T cube minus 1 by 2. Okay, t cube minus 1 by 2 plus, this is value of x, and plus 2 divide by this is t, and what is dx means 3t square by 2 into dt. 1 t cancel here. Okay, so this is equal to LCM. Integration of t cube minus 1 plus 4 by what? 2 into 3t by 2 dt. So 2 into 2, that is 4, so 1 by 4, and this is what? T cube, and 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Okay, so t cube plus 3 into t dt. Clear? So this is equal to 3 by 4 and t fourth plus 3t into dt. Okay, now 3 by 4, this is what? T 5 by 5 plus 3t square by 2 plus c. What is t here? T means 2x minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. So 3 by 4 into 2x minus 1 to the 1 by 3 into 5, that is 5 by 3 plus 3 by divided by 5 plus 3 by 2 into t 2x minus 1 to the power 2 by 3 plus c. This is question number 4. Now question number 5 is what? Question number 5. Now solution of question number 5. Integration of x square plus 2x plus 7 into square root of x plus 1 dx. So square root contains here x plus 1, so put x plus 1 is equal to t square, ds is equal to what? 2t into dt, directly लिख देंगे. So x is equal to what? Here x is equal to t square minus 1, this is x. Okay, so put this value of x here, integration t square minus 1 whole square plus 2 into what? T square minus 1 plus 7 into root over x plus 1 means t, dx means what? 2t into dt. Now simplify this. This is equal to t fourth minus what? T square plus 1 plus 2t square minus 2 plus 7 into 2t square dt. Clear? T fourth minus 2t square plus 1, 2t square minus 2 plus 7 dt. So this is equal to what? T fourth minus t square plus t square goes cancel, and this is 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 2 that is 6 into 2t square into dt. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 into t to the power 6 plus 12 into t square integration dt. Now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to 2 into t to the power 7 by 7 plus 12 into t to the 3 by 3 plus c. Okay, so 2 by 7 into t7 plus 4 into tq plus c. What is t here? T means root over x plus 1. That is, what is t here? Here t is equal to what? T is equal to root over x plus 1. That is 2 by 7 and x plus 1 to the power 7 by 2 plus 4 into x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Now this is question number 5 is over. Now question number 6. Now solution of question number 6. Solution of question number 6. Integration of x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 4 root over ds. Square root term, this is square root, so this term is for a simplification. Put x plus 4 is equal to t square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dx is equal to t into dt. Now x is equal to what? From this x is equal to t square minus 4. So t square minus 4 whole square plus 2 into t square minus 4 plus 1 whole, and integration of this is t, and this is what? 2t into dt. 2t cancel here, so 2 common. Okay, 2 common here, तो t4 minus 8t plus 16, this is t square minus 8 plus 1 into dt. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into t4, this is what, t4 plus t4 minus 8t plus 16, this is 2t square, 2t square, and this is what, minus 8. So t4 plus 2t square minus 8t minus 7 into dt. Okay, first put x plus 4 equal to t square, differentiate, that is ds is equal to 2t dt x. Okay, from this x is equal to t square minus 4, so t square minus 4 whole square plus 2 into t square minus plus 1 divide by this is t. So t cancel here, t4 plus minus 8t plus 16 plus 2t square minus 8 plus 1. Now integration, now integrate this, now integrate this, 2 into that is integration of t5 by 5 minus 2 into t cube by 3 minus 8 t square by 2 minus 7t plus c. Now this is equal to what, 2 into what is t, root over x plus 4, that is x plus 4 to the power 5 by 2 minus this is divided by 5 minus 2 by 3 x plus 4 to the power what, 3 by 2 minus 4 into what, t square means that is x plus 4. Okay, minus 7 into root over x plus 4 plus c. This is a solution of question number 6. Now another type. Now another type, type 3, that is integration of function of x to the power m by n and a function of x to the power p by q dx. Okay, this is suppose case 1. Put let LCM of n cube is equal to suppose r, then put x is equal to t to the power r. Similarly, if this is in the form of integration of f of ax plus b to the power m by n, comma ax plus b to the power p by q, if LCM of n and q is r, then put ax plus b is equal to t to the power r. Now problem based on question number type 3. Now problem based on type 3. Now problems based on type 2. Problems based on type 2. Integration 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power 1 by 3 dx. This is integrate the following. Integrate. So question solution is 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power 1 by 3 dx. Take LCM of the denominator 2 and 3, here LCM of 2 3 is equal to 6. So put t is equal to x to the power 6. So dt is equal to dt is equal to 6 into x to the power 5 into dx. Okay, so this is equal to 6 x to the power, that is what, this is equal to, put t equal to x to the 6 nahi, put x to the power 6 is equal to t, right? Put this is equal to what, this is equal to t to the power 6. Put x is equal to t to the power 6, correct? And dx is equal to what, dx is equal to 6 into t to the power 5 into dt. So here 6 into t to the power 5 dt by, this is t to the power 6 power half, t cube minus t square. So this is 6 into t to the power 5 divide by t square common, t minus 1 into dt. So remaining here 6 into what, t cube divided by t minus 1 into dt. Clear? So again what happens here, adjust here, that is that is t to the power 6 into t cube minus 1 plus 1 divided by what, t minus 1 dt. So this is equal to 6 into t cube minus 1 cube divided by what, divided by t minus 1 dt plus 1 by t minus 1 dt. So 6 into, that is t minus 1 t square plus t plus 1 divided by t minus 1 dt plus, this is integration of 1 by t minus 1 dt. So t minus 1 goes cancel, this 6 into, that is t cube by 3 t square by 2 plus t, and this is log of t minus 1 more plus c. So what is t here, 6 into t means what, t means x to the power 1 by 6. Okay, t means x to the power 1 by 6. So x to the power 1 by 6 3, that is x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, the by 2 by 3 plus t means x to the power 1 by 6, 1 by 6 into q, that is x to the power 1 by 3 by 2 plus t means what, x to the power 1 by 6, x to the power 1 by 6 plus log of x to the power 1 by 6 minus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now problem, integrate 1 by 2x plus 3 whole to the power, this is equal to suppose 1 by 3 plus 2x plus 3 whole to the power, suppose 1 by 4 dx. This is question. So solution is what, integration 1 by 2x plus 3 1 by 3 plus 2x plus 3 1 by 4. Clear? Taking LCM of the denominator 3 and 4, LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So put 2x plus 3 is equal to t to the power 12. So 2 into 2 is equal to what, differentiate karo, 12 into t to the power 11 dt by dx, and ds is equal to what, ds is equal to cancel 6 t to the power 11 into dt. Clear? So what happens here, this is equal to integration of 1 by t to the power 4 plus this is equal to t to the power 3 and dx is equal to what? 6 into t to the 11 dt. Again what happens here? This is equal to integration of 6 here t to the 11 common, t fourth common, this is t plus 1 dt. So this is equal to 6 into t to the power what? T to the power 7 by t plus 1 dt. Now the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, so division is applied. Division method is applied. Now divide t7 divided by t plus 1. This is t6 and this is t7 plus t6 t to the 6 minus t to the power 6. Okay, so minus what? T to the power 5 minus t to the power 5. This is what? Minus t to the power 6 minus t to the power 5. This is plus and this is plus. Cancel. So t to the power 5. Clear? T to the power 5 and this is plus t fourth. T to the power 5 plus t fourth. Clear? So minus this cancel, minus t fourth. Okay, minus t fourth. Then what is here? Minus t q minus t fourth minus t q. This is plus cancel here t q and this is what? Plus t square. This is equal to what? T q plus t square minus this is minus, so cancel here. Okay, this is minus t square and this is minus t square minus what? T, right? This is minus t square and this is what? This is t6 and this is t6. Okay, t7 t6, right? So this is t square minus what? Minus t square here, minus t square. So minus t square plus minus t square minus t. So this is cancel, this plus, so remaining here t. So plus 1, this is t plus 1. So this is minus and this is plus. This is minus and this is plus. So remaining here minus 1. Clear? Remaining here minus 1. Look at this. This is minus 1 again. So now this is quotient. So what happens here? Quotient means integration of 6 into integration of t6 minus t5 plus t4 minus tq minus t plus 1 into dt. Okay, so remainder here minus 1, correct? Remainder here minus 1. This is minus 1 remainder minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. So whole brackets, that is equal to 6 into t to the power 7 by 7, t to the power 6 by 6 plus t to the power 5 by 5 minus t to the power 4 by 4 minus t, this is minus, and this is what? This is t square, and this is one term remaining here, that is t6, t4, t3, and this is what? This is plus t square. Okay, plus t square minus what? T plus 1 dt plus minus 1 by, that is minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. This is the solution, and this is t7 by 7, t6 by 6, t5 by t4 by 4, and this is plus t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t, and this is log of t plus 1 plus c. Okay, now t is equal to what? T is equal to x to 2s plus 3 power 1 by 12. So 6 into what? 2x plus 3 power 1 by 12 into 7 by 12 minus 2x plus by here 7 minus 2x plus 3 whole to the power 6 into 1 by 12, that is 1 by 2, and plus this is 2x plus 3 power 5 by 12, and this is what? Minus 2x plus 3 to the power 1 by 12 into 4, that is 1 by 3, and this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, and this is what? This is completed, this is completed, this is completed, and this is completed. Now this is, so what happens here? That is plus 2x plus 3 whole to the power 3 into 1 by 12, 1 by 4. Okay, minus what? Minus 2x plus 3 to the power 1 by 12 into 2, that is 1 by 6, and minus what? And plus 2x plus 3 whole to the power 1 by 12, and minus what? Minus log of 2x plus 3 whole to the power 1 by 12 plus 1 more, bracket close, plus c. This is answer. Okay, now next question, next type questions. Now types. Type 3, integration of 1 by L1 root over L2. Here let L letter for linear and Q letter for quadratic function of x. So 1 by L1 root over L1 dx rule is put the square root part is equal to t square, L2 equal to t square. Number 4, integration of 1 by L1 root over quadratic L Q. L means linear, Q means quadratic. Put L is equal to 1 by t. Type 5. This is very important for long question. Type 4, and integration of 1 by, suppose this is in the form of what? Linear, quadratic linear. Okay, quadratic linear. Put L is equal to t square. This is 5, and 6 is 1 by what? Ax square plus b root over cx square plus d. Okay, then put 1 by x minus 2. One minus by x plus 2. This is the equation dx by 2 minus x root over 5 minus 4x plus x square dx. So this is form of what? This is form of dx by linear root over quadratic. What is the concept here? Put linear is equal to 1 by t. So this is concept. Okay. So solution is what? Solution integration dx by 2 minus x square root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. So what happens here? Put 2 minus x is equal to 1 by t. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. So minus minus cancel. That is dx is equal to 1 by t square into dt. So put here, and x is equal to what? And x is equal to here, x is equal to what? X is equal to 2 minus 1 by t. Okay. So x is equal to 2 minus 1 by t. Put here. So ds is equal to what? 1 by t square into dt. Now 2 minus x is equal to what? 1 by t. And now root over what? 5 minus what? That is x is equal to what? 2t minus 1 by t. Clear? X is equal to 2t minus 1 by t. So 4 into what? 2t minus 1 by t. This is 4x, and x square is equal to what? 2t minus 1 by t whole square. This is integration 1 dx. So t here cancel, 1t cancel. So t into integration 1 by t into root over what is here? So 5 minus what is LCM here? LCM is t square. So 5t square, and this is minus 8t square, and this is plus 4t, and this is 2t minus 1 whole square, means what? 4t square minus 4t plus 1 whole divided by t square root over means t dt. T cancel here. That is 1 by 5t square plus 4t square, 9t square minus 8t square. So this is t square. Okay, this is t square plus 4t minus 4t goes cancel, and this is what? This is equal to 1 root over. So the formula is what? That is equal to root over x square plus a square. So this is log t plus root over t square plus 1 plus c. What is t here? T means 1 by 2 minus x. So log of t means 1 by 2 minus x plus root over 1 by 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Another type, that is type 7. Type 7, integration of ps plus q root over ax square plus bx plus c, okay, dx. How it is can be solved? Okay, procedure. Let px plus q is equal to a into derivative d by ds of a square plus bs plus c plus b. Find value of a and b. Find values of a and b. Okay, so this is the process. Now one question that is integrate this. So let 2x minus 5 is equal to a into d by ds of what? 2 plus 3x minus x square plus b. So 2x minus 5 is equal to a into 3 minus 2x plus b. Now comparing coefficient of x. Comparing coefficient of x. So this is minus 2a and this is what? Minus 2a and this is 2. So a is equal to minus 1. Again comparing constants. So here constant is what? 3a and plus b is equal to constant here minus 5. Okay, the value of a is equal to what? Value of a equal to minus 1. So minus 3 plus b is equal to minus 5. So b is equal to what? Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3, that is equal to b is equal to minus 2. Now we can write 2x minus 5 is equal to, we can write 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 5 is equal to a. A means what? A is minus 1, so minus of 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2x plus b means what? B means minus 2. Okay, b means minus 2. So divide by what? Now 2x, this can be written as, so integration, this is value of this. Now integration is, suppose integration 2x minus 5 square root of 2 plus 3s minus x square dx is equal to, write this. So what right now? That is what? Minus of 3 minus 2x. Okay, 3 minus 2x minus 2 brackets into root over what? 2 plus 3x plus minus x square into dx. Okay, now multiply this minus of what? 3 minus 2x into root over 2 plus 3x minus x square dx minus 2 into, make this perfect square. Make this perfect square, root over what? Minus, take common minus inside the square root. This is x square and this is minus 3x and this is minus 2 dx. Clear? Again here, that is equal to what? Again here, let this is equal to t. For integration I1, so this is I1, this is Suppose this is I. So I is equal to what? Now I is equal to suppose this is I1. Okay, so this is my I1 and this is 2 into, and this is minus I1 and this is minus 2 into I2, minus 2 into I2. Now for I1, now I1 is equal to what? 3 minus 2x root over what? 2 plus 3x minus x square into dx. Put 2 plus 3x minus x square is equal to t. Equal to, suppose t. What happens here? This is 3 minus 2x. This is dt by dx. So 3 minus 2x into ds is equal to dt. So this is dt. This term is dt. Okay. This term is dt. This term is dt. So I1 is equal to what? This is root t into dt. So root t means what? T to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c1 suppose. So I1 that is 2 by 3. What is t here? T means, what is t here? This is 2 plus 3x minus x square to the power 3 by 2 plus c1. This is I1. Now I2 is equal to what? I2 is equal to now I2 is equal to what? I2 is equal to this part is I2. Okay. So this part is I2. So I2 is equal to square root of minus of, this is minus of x square minus 3x minus 2. X square minus 3x minus 2. Okay. Dx. So I2 is equal to what? Square root of minus of x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 2 into dx. Bracket close. So I2 is equal to square root of what? I2 is equal to square root of x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and this is 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 by 4 root 17 by 2 whole square. Now what happens here? This is equal to I2 is equal to a minus term इतर नहीं जो root 7 by 2 whole square minus what? X minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this is equal to dx, a square minus s square formula. So I2 is equal to x by 2 means what? X minus 3 by 2 root over this. Root over this means what? Root over this means root over this. Okay. Root over this means what? 2 plus 3x minus x square plus a square by 2 means root 7 square on 17 by 4 by 2 into sine inverse 3x minus 3 by 2 by root 17 by 2 plus c2. Now this is equal to what? So I2 is equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 4 and root over what? 2 plus 3s minus x square, and this is root what? 17 by 8 sine inverse 2x minus 3 divided by root over 17 plus c2. Now I is equal to what? Now I is equal to I1 minus I1, that is minus I1 means minus 2 by 3 2 plus 3x minus x square to the power 3 by 2. See, constant plus constant, another constant, minus 2 into what? Minus 2 into this amount. So minus 2 into what? And this is minus 2 into this factor I2. 2x minus 3 divided by 4 root over 2 plus 3x minus x square, okay, plus what? Plus this amount 17 by 8 sin inverse 2x minus 3 by root over 17 plus c. This is answer. Okay. This is one more question. Put, this is integrate. Okay. Put 2x plus 1 is equal to t square. So 2 dx is equal to 2t into dt. So 2 to cancel here, so ds equal to dt. So now x is equal to what? X is equal to here t square minus 1 by 2. Apply this, x is equal to t square minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, and this is what? T square root over ds is equal to what? T dt. So this is equal to integration of t square minus 1 minus 2, t square minus 3 by 2. Okay, so by 2, and this is what? 2t square into t dt. So this is 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is 1 by root 2 and t root over t square means t, and this is t square minus 3 square minus root 3 square minus root 3 square. This is standard formula, x square minus a square. So x, that is 1 by root 2 into t by 2 root over t square minus 3 minus a square by 2. A square means what? 3 by 2 log of t minus t plus root over t square minus 3 plus c. And what is value of t here? Value of t means what? Root over 2x, 1 by root 2. Okay, and this is root over 2x plus 1 by 2, and this is what? T square means 2x plus 1 minus 3, and 3 by 2 log of, okay, mode of, this is root over 2x plus 1 2x plus 1 plus root over 2x plus 1 whole t square means this root over minus 3 plus c. Okay, this is, and this is what? 1 by root 2 into root over 2x plus 1 by 2 and root over what? 2x minus 2, and this is 3 by 2 ln of 2x plus 1 root over, this is 2x minus 2 root over 2x minus 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Thank you. These are the integration of some irrational functions. Thank you. Have a nice day.